guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. Well, I am about to texturize my hair. If you want to know what I'm going to use, and if you want to know how it's going to turn out, just keep watching. Alright guys, well I have decided not 5 minutes ago to texturize my hair. I texturized my hair one time before, I think it was like maybe 2 months ago, if not 3. And I done went through a whole head of hair. My hair was platinum. After I went platinum, I dyed it red. Well, I didn't dye it red, I rinsed it red. And then I cut off all of the blonde, the majority of all of the platinum. You still see little pieces of it, you know, right here and there, just scattered about. But other than that, it's a whole new head of basically hair. So I have decided that I want my curl to be looser. So what I am going to use is S curl. Just going to use this mess curl, and I'm going to use what I have at the house. Let's see here. So I got me some Vaseline. I done went around the perimeter of my head. We ain't going to take all day doing this, guys. Okay? And what I am going to do is I'm going to start putting this on my head. While we're letting this sit, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. So let's just let this sit for 15 minutes. I decided to go get a comb and comb it straight while I'm waiting. Okay, that's good. That's barely going to make an S pattern. That's made an X pattern. See, that's what you want, that S pattern to show, but you see in certain places it's not really there. So I'm gonna wash it out. Okay guys, I'm gonna use one of my favorite conditioners. It's the Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter conditioner. And man, if you want your hair to smell, it's really nice too, because a lot of times I'll just wet my hair and use that on my head and it will curl up my hair really well. So I'm gonna leave this in my hair. I'm gonna let you see what it's looking like. This is conditioner. I am going to leave this on my hair for however long I leave it on. Ain't no set time. And yeah. Okay guys, I am back. I just rinsed the conditioner out. we're going to see what shape it takes as I apply what I have here. So, I have a couple of things here. I like using the lock method on my hair, liquid, oil, and cream. But I'm just gonna, today, just use this. This is one of my signature things. This is Cantu Natural Hair Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Activator. So I'm just gonna put some curl activator on it. I could have put some leave-in conditioner on my hair. I'm just gonna put a touch of that. You know, that's out of habit. This is the leave-in conditioner, the mango. Just gonna put a touch. My hair feels really soft. I mean, really soft. Remember I told you I didn't have really like coarse hair anyway? So that's why I didn't leave it in for the full like 12 minutes or something like that. I left it in for like 7 or 8 minutes. I can tell you from what I'm seeing now, I'm liking it. And I can also tell you, I'm glad I did it. So now guys, what I'm putting in here now is Instant Moisturizer. Carefree Curl Instant Moisturizer. And the products that I'm showing you now are my signature products. The only product, I ain't gonna say the only product that I didn't show you that I use is the Styler Gel. But look at my hair, guys. You see that? Can you imagine if these products just allow my hair to stay wet looking and also soft like this? I know I should have said this in the beginning of the video, but guys, I did this because this is something I wanted to do with my hair. If you use this product, use it at your own discretion. I'm not telling you to use this product. I'm not even sponsored by these people. I'm just showing you what I'm doing for my hair. So if you use it and it mess up your hair, that's on you. Cause, like I always say, if I use it and it mess up my hair, that's on me. But you're getting the real deal Holyfield because you seen me do it. And I thought my hair was going to be straight. That's why I that's why I went on and took it out, and I'm glad I took it out. So know your hair when you do this, okay? Know your hair. Because remember when I was doing it back here, it just looked like it was just straight. Yeah. I'm not going to put none on my curls because I want to see what it's going to do, you know, without putting it on my curls, you know, the Styler Gel. And how you see me now, just touching my hair, just touching it. Just touching it. I'm not, you know, a great big fan of the, you know, the J baby hairs and all that. They okay, but you know. So I'm gonna see what this is gonna do. Now, one of the things I am gonna put on my hair, guys, is this. This is Cantu Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and it's like a finishing spray. I can spray it on my hair, but I'm just gonna put a little on my hand because it's really like late. It's close to bedtime. I won't be putting all that oil and grease on my, you know. But if I had to say anything, I like it. And this is another thing. Because I think I was contemplating about doing this for, I would say maybe 3 days, no more than 4. You know, doing the pros, the cons. What if it don't turn out? What are you gonna do with your hair? And but I knew for a fact that I didn't like the way my hair was. This, I can tell you, I like it. I can tell you I like it. Let's stretch a curl. You see that? With my other hair, would have went boing. It would have bounced back so tight and just would have been looking like a little nap. Nope. So, guys, this is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you know my next video is coming out, guys. But most of all, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, live your best life, and I will talk to you later.